Hi, I'm Lisa Gorman from 360 Neuromuscular Therapy. A lot of our patients ask us how they can take their self-care with them when they travel, because it's hard to take a foam roller with you, or even a stick sometimes. So I'm going to teach you today how to do your own little self-care kit from a can of tennis balls, which is super easy to travel with. So you get your can of tennis balls, you take 2 of them, and you tape them together. So this is fabric tape, like athletic tape. You can just get it at CVS. It's not very expensive. You want it to be the fabric kind because that way it's not slippery. You want the grip of it. And so you take a section, kind of a long section, and you apparently need scissors. Nope, haha, success. And you tape the 2 together to start. It's not super easy, but just take your time with it initially. Because you want them to be pretty tight to each other. Okay, so we have them taped together. Now you want to reinforce it, obviously. So we'll do a few rounds this way, and then we'll do a few rounds this way so that they stay together. Okay, so there we have it, 2 tennis balls taped together. You still have your 1 tennis ball in the can. So you have your single tennis ball to use as a tool, and you have your 2 taped together to use as a tool. They all still fit in the can. They're all nice and neatly kept together. This will fit in the water bottle part of your backpack when you're traveling. Put it in face down. The cap tends to come off, and then you lose your tennis balls. I almost lost my balls on a flight. It was horrible. So just, that's my suggestion. Otherwise, they fit pretty easy alongside of stuff. And then you have anything that you might need while you're traveling. So when your 360 NMT therapist gives you some home care activities, you have no excuse to not do them when you're traveling.